Hey guys, welcome back to Uncut Gems with Slim. We have another tech talk video for you guys today, and today we are giving you my top 5 mics for beginners. When it comes to this whole YouTube and content creator thing, if you're making any kind of video content and you have a voiceover or something other than background music, you're gonna need a mic, and a mic that provides high quality sound. So I want to take you through a couple different mics that I've used in my YouTube journey and ones that I think are great for beginners. First up, we have the most accessible but yet underrated mic that you probably already have in your possession. And if you have an iPhone, you probably have